If you want to combine two photos on Google Pixel 9a so that, for example, the person that takes the photo is also included in the photo, what you can do is you can use the Add Me mode in camera. So once you open the camera, we can go to the Add Me option, and then we can over here, for example, tap on preview once you are in the middle of taking the photo. You can also press this question mark in order to find more information about the Add Me. So if you don't have a tripod or another person to take a photo for you, you can combine two photos to make everyone be included in a single photo. So how it works actually, you might wonder, is just pretty simple. The first person, the person who is supposed to take the photo, just takes the photo of almost everyone. And once the photo is taken, everyone can just get out of the photo so that then the person who took the photo can now be captured. So someone else just takes the camera and takes the photo of the person who took the photo for the first time, and then the phone will combine both photos together so that everyone is included. So over here we can also find some more information. So for the best results, the person you are adding should be unblocked and fully visible, and only one person can be added in the second photo. So this is why everyone else should actually be out of the frame pretty much. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!